guys, welcome once again in the second part of adjustment and their effect of partnership final account. We already discussed 11th adjustment of partnership final account. Now I am explaining other remaining adjustment. So let's start now. Adjustment number 12, goods withdraw by partners. When goods withdraw by partners for his personal use, it is treated as a drawing. First effect of this adjustment show credit side of trading account and second show partners capital account debit side or less from partners capital account or current account. Next adjustment number 13, goods distributed as a free sample. Distribution of goods are free sample to customer is a sort of advertisement. First effect of this adjustment show credit side of trading account by goods distributed as a free sample. And second effect show debit side of profit and loss account, that is by advertisement or add to advertisement if any. Adjustment number 14, goods stolen. Goods is a asset of the business. When good is stolen by theft, the amount of stock decreased by theft. It is a loss of the business. First effect of this adjustment, credit side of trading account by goods stolen, and second effect, debit side of profit and loss account to loss by theft. Uninsured goods destroyed by fire. Friends, goods lost due to fire are not there in the business. Goods destroyed by fire is the loss of the business. First effect show credit side of trading account, that is by goods fire, and second effect show debit side of the profit and loss account, that is to loss by fire. Then next adjustment number 16, ensure goods destroyed by fire. For example, goods of rupees 5000 destroyed by fire and insurance company admitted claim rupees 3000 only. In this example, goods destroyed by fire rupees 5000, it is a loss of the business. It is an insured goods, so the company will get insurance of rupees 3000 from insurance company. Here we see that the business loss is by fire is 2000. Effects of this adjustment, first show trading account credit side by goods lost by fire. Second effect show asset side of balance sheet, that is insurance claim receivable. Third effect show debit side of the profit and loss account, that is by loss by fire. This is actual loss of goods. Unrecorded sales. The goods which are sold but not recorded in the books is called unrecorded sales. First effect of this adjustment, add to sales on credit side of trading account, that is unrecorded sales. And second effect, add to debtors in asset side of the balance sheet. Now we see next adjustment, unrecorded purchases. Goods which purchased but not recorded in the book is called as unrecorded purchases. First effect, add to purchase on debit side of trading account, and second effect of this adjustment, add to creditor liability side of balance sheet. Next adjustment, bills receivable dishonor. First effect of this adjustment, add to sundry debtors in asset side of balance sheet, and second effect, less from amount of the dishonor bill from bills receivable. Now we see next adjustment, bills payable dishonored. First effect, add to sundry creditor in liability side of balance sheet, that is dishonor of the bill, and second effect, less from amount of bill dishonor from bills payable. Now we see last and final adjustment, commission or salary to partner. First effect, show profit and loss account debit side to commission to partner or to salary to partners. And second effect of this adjustment, show credit side of partner's capital account or current account, that is by salary or by commission to partners. So we have discussed the part 1 and part 2 of partnership final account. You understood them very well. So please like it, share it, don't forget subscribe it. Thank you.